400,000 years ago, a human picked up two rocks and changed everything. No tutorial, no YouTube video, no one telling them it was possible. Just a problem, two hands, and zero excuses. They didn't wait to feel ready. They didn't wonder if someone else would figure it out first. They just started, with literally nothing. That fire didn't just keep them warm. It changed how they ate, how they slept, how they thought, how they survived. Now look at you. More tools than any human in history. More information, more opportunity, more everything. And you're waiting. Waiting for the right moment, the right feeling, the right conditions. Ancient humans had one thing, a cold night. That was enough. You don't need more resources. You don't need more time. You just need to pick up your two rocks and start. The spark doesn't come before the effort. It comes because of it. Start now, with what you have, from where you are. That's how fire gets made.